How to start a business with no money, step by step. You want to start a business, but you think you need thousands of dollars to do it. That is the biggest lie in entrepreneurship. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch a profitable small business with absolutely zero risk and zero money down. We are going to build this step by step right now. If you're ready to be your own boss in 2026, hit that like button and let's dive in. First step, the skill audit. The golden rule of free startups: sell services, not products. Products cost money to manufacture, store, and ship. Services just cost your time. Ask yourself, what can I do better than the average person? Can you write, manage social media, organize spreadsheets, or maybe offer virtual assistants? That is your product. You are trading your time for their money. Pause this video and write down your top 3 skills right now. Next step. Here is where most people fail, and please listen closely to this. They build a website before they have a customer. Do not do that. We need to use the pre-sell method. Go to Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or online communities where your potential clients hang out. Simply post this: I'm looking to help 3 people with your skill for free in exchange for a testimonial. This proves people actually want what you're offering without you spending a dime. If no one replies, you just saved yourself months of work on a bad idea. Final step, the free tech stack. Once you have interest, you need a storefront, but do not buy a domain yet. Use free tools, create a dedicated Instagram business profile, or a simple one-page site using free tools like Card or Notion. Your bio should say exactly who you help and how. For example, I help busy professionals organize their finances. That's it. Clear, concise, and free. This acts as your digital business card until you make your first sale. The growth loop convert viewers to subscribers. Once you get that first paying client from your free trials, take that money and then buy the domain or the software. You bootstrap your way up. Starting a business isn't about having capital. It's about having courage. You have the roadmap. Now you just need to take the first step. If you want more practical make money online guides that don't waste your time, click that subscribe button right now. I'll see you in the next video.